Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex co-integration. All right, so now co-integration is a more advanced concept, but we are just going to try to break it down in a simple way. Okay, in Forex, some currency pairs tend to move together over time because they are economically related. Okay, so for example, two currencies tied to similar economies or influenced by the same factors. Co-integration simply means that even if these pairs move apart in the short term, be, uh, you know, um, they tend to come back together over time. Because they are tied to similar economies, they tend to actually come back, together over time. All right, so traders use this idea for something called pairs trading. So here's how it works. Yeah, if two currency pairs that usually move together suddenly diverge, right? Two currency pairs that move together suddenly diverge, meaning one goes up while the other goes down. For example, let's say you have two pairs making almost the same bullish pattern, right? And then suddenly one of the pairs diverge, right? Let's assume that instead of going this way, perhaps the pair declined further. Okay, let's assume this and this are two different pairs, right? This particular currency pair and this are two different, right? So even at this point, when this one was still going up, this one started going down, right? So that's what we're talking about, that one suddenly diverged, right? So a trader might actually expect them to return to their normal relationship of moving, almost with the same pattern. So they might buy the undervalued one and sell the overvalued one. The goal is not just to predict direction, but to trade the relationship between the two pairs. However, this strategy requires data analysis and statistical tools. It's not something most beginners use immediately, right? The key takeaway is that core integration focuses on relationships between markets, not just individual price movements. So if you learned something new or you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.